Hello guys, welcome back. Xiaomi had a launch last week and we all expected the Mi Mix 4 with 5G capabilities alongside the Mi 9 Pro 5G. Well, that didn't happen. Instead, a concept Mi Mix Alpha was launched. There was a lot of buzz about a certain mix rumored to launch in October. Many leaksters said Mi Mix 4 is coming, including some renowned leaksters. While others just kept bombarding Xiaomi executives with questions about more phones, so one company executive took it to Weibo to clear up the situation. The Xiaomi brand promotion manager directly said there is only Mi Mix Alpha and no other Mi Mix smartphone on its way, although the reason for this strange move were not given by the manager. The official confirmation came shortly after the report of a placeholder listing of the Mix 4 5G was seen on Chinese JD.com. As per this leak, there were supposed to be two variants of Mi Mix 4, one with 4G and another with 5G network. Part of the speculation surrounding the Mi Mix 4 was on the basis of the fact that Mi Mix Alpha will not be mass-produced, which made people believe the existence of Mix 4. The Mi Mix 4 was expected to be a curved display device with 108 megapixel camera, but now we can say that the handset is not coming this year. Xiaomi has always used the Mix lineup to introduce its breakthrough technology, from the first Mi Mix without bezels on 3 sides to the Mi Mix 3 with the slider design that eventually expanded to Europe with a 5G modem. It isn't exactly a surprise that the Mi Mix Alpha is also a revolution with its unique 108 megapixel camera and 180% screen-to-body ratio. However, fans of the lineup across the world would definitely be disappointed with the new phone's price tag that is around $2,800, meaning not many would be able to afford it. So that's it guys, if you are waiting for this phone then it's time to look for something else. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want more such videos in the future then do consider subscribing to my channel. Peace out.